Hello, in this video I will explain to you how to solve unresolved reference warnings such as this in your Python code with PyCharm. Also, you might wonder why PyCharm doesn't give any smart auto-completion while you are coding. For example, I will remove this code and type dot. PyCharm doesn't give a suggested list of smart values. Let's get started. The answer to your question is because a Python interpreter isn't configured for your project, or it is being configured wrongly. To correct this, you need to specify the path to the project Python executable in the system. Let's solve this with an example project. I cloned this project from the GitHub, and I will insert a link to the project to be posted together with the video. Since this project uses Poetry as a dependency management tool, we will start by typing poetry install. It will tell Poetry to create a virtual environment and automatically install the project packages for us. Once this is done, we will run Poetry shell. This will activate the virtual environment that Poetry created. You will know that the virtual environment is activated when you can see its name in brackets in your terminal. Now let's point PyCharm to the Python executable for the project. Type which Python and copy this path to your clipboard. This is the Python path executable for the project. Next, go to File and then Settings. Go to your project and Python Interpreter. The current Python Interpreter is set to another project's Python Interpreter. Click the gear button and click Add. Click on Virtual Environment which Poetry created and click Existing Environment. Click the three dots and clear the path. Type Ctrl V to paste the path of our project's Python executable. Click OK, OK, Apply, and then OK. Now the Python interpreter is being loaded. Let's wait for this to be done. Once this is done, you can verify that it is working when these red lines will be removed, such as what is happening right now. You can see the Python interpreter is activated from here. Also, you will see when the interpreter is working when you type on your code dot, and you can see that PyCharm now suggests a list of smart values that is related to the status. That's all. Hope you learned a lot, and I'll see you in the next video.